Well, I'm only Margret Campbell. I'm a Dungutty Geringer woman, saltwater sunrise, and I hold the whale dreaming. And part of what we wanted to do here in Sydney is to give you an experience of meeting Aboriginal people in this area and learn about the ancient stories to do with Aboriginal Australia and Aboriginal Sydney, Gadigal and Eora people of this area specifically. Well, it's really important to welcome people to come into a modern city like Sydney because Aboriginal people have always maintained our connections to the country. Well, our customs and traditions and our protocols are all about Mother Earth and Wyanga Malu, which is the name of this tour. So we wanted to introduce people from their most ancient knowledge and the keeper roles of how we look after and care for Mother Earth. So it was about sharing a collection of places and spaces of Mother Earth within a modern built-up environment, which we now know as Sydney, to be able to say, well, this is the ancient memory from that particular space and place. And we'll take you on a journey and show you the museum exhibits that have been there since the creation and give you an introduction to what the natural climate and the environmental world's all about in terms of looking at it through our eyes.
I really wanted to have an authentic Aboriginal experience. This tour with Auntie Margret, it's more of an experiential, a heart-based experience. So you come away with a sense of what it means to belong to Australia.
Well, I've heard of Auntie Margret for a while now and how amazing her cultural tours are. You know, her in-depth knowledge that she obviously embodies and just understanding our connection with Mother Earth and just that whole cultural experience of, you know, who we are. It just goes to such a deep level of resonating with what she shares.
You can understand what this Sydney has to offer in regards to its Aboriginal history and heritage and go away feeling that, wow, I've had something quite unique in regards to visiting Sydney and New South Wales. And it's an Aboriginal experience that's made that the difference.